Alright, good afternoon, viewers. Welcome to Better Faith e-learning platform. I believe you already know my name. So, this class is for those that are in SS2 and SS3 students. I want to take it as a revision class, okay? SS3 take it as a revision class, but it's mainly for SS2. Alright, so the topic is histogram. Of course, right from the primary school days, you have learned the word histogram, and I believe you know the meaning of what histogram, right? So what is a histogram? Histogram is a type of bar graph. When you mean bar, it has bar. All these ones we call it what? We call it bar. We call it bar graph. Isn't it? All these ones are bar. The bar graph. Alright. Why is it called bar graph? Because we plot histogram inside a what? A graph sheet, okay? It's always done inside a graph sheet of paper. So, histogram is a bar graph that depicts the frequencies of individual scores, that depicts or that represent the frequencies of individual score. As you can see, this table, you will see the frequencies of individual score. These are the marks. You can take very well. These are the scores. Then these are what? The frequencies, okay? So in histogram, here, the y-axis and the vertical axis, you have the frequency here. While the horizontal axis, you have what? The class boundary. For the horizontal, vertical, you have the frequency. Alright, so that is that. Then in histogram, there is no space between the bars. Each bar follows the other immediately. I think I said it, no space, no space between them. No space between them. I said it, no space between them. Okay. That is all about what? Histogram. So the example I have here, we'll give one example only. One example is enough for you to what? Draw any histogram you see in any mathematics what? Questions. Okay? Alright. So the table below shows the marks obtained by 40 pupils in a mathematics word test. These are the marks from 0 to 9, 10 to 19, 20 to 29, and so on and so forth. The number of videos means the frequency, okay? For this, it means from 0 to 9, 4 people fall within this range. This to this, 5 people fall within this range. Another name for this is called what? I told you in last class, we call it what? Class interval. From this to this, this to this. They are called what? Class interval. So we are asked to draw a histogram for the what? For the mark distribution. So we just use this table and ask you to draw the what? Histogram. Remember that. So solution. You are going to draw a table. Why is the table necessary? Because in histogram, only two things are that will contain the class what? Boundary. From here to this place, that is a mass and number of figures, is the same table we have in question. So what I just added is the class what? Boundary. You must add class boundary because histogram contains just the class boundary and what? Frequency. Okay? Any value they give you under, if you have a table like this, the value you have under here, we call it what? The class boundary. Who are following? Alright. So now what you have to do is to find the class boundary for this respective marks. I told you class boundary here we subtract 0.5. Here we add what? 0.5. But we don't have anything to subtract from this 0. So can you say 0 minus 0.5 to give you a minus 0.5? It's not possible. So since here nothing is here, we take away from. Just leave it at 0. Then here, the upper class boundary, you add 0.5. Here, you minus 0.5. Here, I cannot subtract anything because nothing is there, 0. So, but here, I will add. So now I have 0 to 9.5. I get it. That is this first one. Here, you add 0.5. Here, you minus what? 0.5. I cannot minus anything for 0. So please, next time, If you have a question like this, don't go and subtract 0.5 and 0 to give minus 0.5. It's not done because nothing is here. Then you continue the class boundary. We have 10 to 19. What do you do here? Here you minus 0.5. Here you what? Add was 0.5. This is the lower class boundary. This is the upper class boundary. 10 minus 0.5. You have what? 9.5. To here you add 0.5 to 19.15. Same thing follows. Minus 0.5 and then you have 19.5 to what? 29.5. Here we have 29.5 to 39.5. Continue down there, 39.5 to what? 49.5. Here we have 49.5 to what? 59.5. So that's how to get class boundary. The lower one, you remove 0.5. Here you add 0.5. And I told you the reason why we need minus 0.5 from this one because nothing is here. Okay. So the y-axis will contain this frequency. This one will be what? Y-axis. Y here is our what? S-axis. Okay, so these values will come to this axis. You now go to your graph page because you have to use a graph what? Sheet. Okay. So if this is your graph sheet of paper, maybe this is your graph. This is your what? Your graph. And this is the size of your graph. Okay. This is your graph. I'm trying to sketch the graph on the board. This is your graph. Okay, this is the graph. If this is your graph, what do you do? Look up. This is your graph. This is the full graph. This is the full graph. Yeah, writing scale is not necessary because why? We have a class boundary. We don't have numbers. So if you want to write scale here, because in your graph you have what's called scale of this and that. It's not necessary in Instogram. Alright. So what do? Your graph, leave 1 centimeter here. People know called 1 centimeter. Like 1 centimeter is 1 boss, okay? So leave 1 boss. You will not start from there. Leave 1 boss. You leave 1 boss on your graph. You will leave a space of 1 centimeter. Then make sure that your histogram must cover 2/3 of your graph sheet paper. Must have a very big length. Don't just start from here. You will start from here. This one is your histogram. Then you have the space down here. It's not done. So please, you are going to start the histogram in this manner. You also leave maybe probably 1 cm down here. Leave 1 centimeter down. Maybe leave 1 cm down here. Leave 1 cm down. That is horizontal. Then vertical, leave 1 centimeter. That is, leave 1 boss here. Then down, also leave what? 1 boss. Do you understand? Coming from horizontal, this is a graph sheet of paper. Leave 1 boss here. Here, leave 1 boss. So your histogram now be drawn here. Now, what to start? You have a scale. How do you represent this histogram in this scale? Here is your frequency. Frequency, call here frequency. Frequency means the number of what? Pupils. Look at the board very well. Is the frequency. You understand? Then class boundary. We now fall here. On this side. We call it what? Class boundaries. The class what? Boundaries. That is the horizontal. Do you understand? So, since the highest value here, check for the highest value. The highest value is what? Is 12. You know what's called 1 centimeter. Alright, so if I were you, each boss, maybe this line here, you can use 1, 2, 3 to 12. So that every other value will now fall within this one, this scale. So I can number here, maybe here is 1, another boss of 1 cm, here is 2, continue, here is 3, maybe here is 4, here is 5, here is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, then here we have what? 12. The space between them is what? 1 centimeter. Where at the origin is always what? Is 0. Then from here, leave this 1 centimeter. I'm going to start from here. Leave a space here. Are you getting it? Leave a space here. The first one is what? 0 to 9.5. Here we already have 0 here. So this one what? 9.5. You write 9.5 for the space of 1 centimeter. Another box here, like from here to here, next one box between them. You have 19.5, 19.5. Another box here, you're going to have what? You have 29.5, followed by what? You have 39.5. Here, you have 49.5. You continue, you have what? 59.5. Alright, so I told you that histogram horizontal is class boundary. Here is the word frequency. Now I want to start. When you were in JSS 3, they said if this is your histogram, that the bar should start from here. It shouldn't start from this origin. Maybe here is first histogram, start from here. That you should create a little space, maybe starting from here. That you should create the space between them. Maybe space should be created here before you now draw the first bar here. Yes, it is true. Only when the value didn't start from 0. Yeah, if you check the math started from where? Look at it. From 0. I seen it. From 0. So you are not going to leave any space here. Don't go and leave space of 1 centimeter. It's only when the value is like this, maybe let's say from 1 to 4. Then you have to give a space of 1 cm. You don't use this space, you come and start from here. You leave what? 1 centimeter space. Now start from this place. Maybe here will be, let's say 0.5 minus 0.5 from here. Add 0.5 here, maybe 4.5. You continue like that, 5.5 here, like that. But here, I want to start from 0. So it must start from the what? From the bar directly because of this 0. Otherwise, we could have left the space of what? 1 centimeter. Leave the space here. Okay? So, having said that, the first one is what? Under 5.5, between 0 to 9.5, the class there is what? That's the frequency there is what? Is 4. I seen it. So, you now use your ruler, trace it to where you have 4. From 0 to 9.5 is 4. You now use straight line, use mark your 4. You form the bar, you bring this one up, you now bring this one down here. I get it. So this one is 0 to what? 9.5. I started from 0 because value started from 0. The next one, between 9.5 and 19.5, we have what? 5, which is this place 5. We now increase it to where you have 5. This is 5. You come here, draw down. You now come here, you trace this one up and join it. In your graph sheet of paper, going to be inside graph. I'm going to buy graph to draw this thing, not ordinary note. Alright, then we have 19.5 to 29.5. So that frequency is 6. This is 6. You trace 6 down here. So you just project this one up. Project this one up. Then you now come here, project this very one up. Then from there, you now join it. It must be in line with that 6. Then the next class, from 29.5 to 29.5, you have it in table. That one is 12, okay? So 12, you trace it to where? To 12. That one is having frequency of what? 12. You bring it down, its frequency is what? Is 12, okay? The frequency is 12. Then the next one, between 39.5 from the table and 49.5, the frequency is what? Is 8. You know where 8 is? This is 8. You trace your 8 like this. This is 8. Mark this point. Then you now trace it to where you have that point. And from this point, join it. The straight line. This is what? 8. Are you getting it? Then the last one, 49.5 to 59.5. The frequency from the table is 5. So it has the same height. This 5. Now come here. And each of the balls, are you getting it? Each of the balls is rather is 1 cm. The space of 1 centimeter for each of them. 1 cm, 1 cm. Some of you like to use 2 centimeter. So I now have a very big bar that is 1 centimeter. So this is the power of histogram. Please take note what I said at the beginning. I started from here. This this one of the bars. You have to ticken it to show that that one is one of the what? One of the bars. I started my own from this point because the value started from 0.0 to 9.5. That's the class boundary. Assuming listen carefully. Started from 4, let's say, from 5 to 5.5 to 10.5. You don't start from the origin. Look at it. You don't start from here. You leave a space of 1 centimeter. Set that one before. Leave a space of 1 centimeter. Then start your 5.5 here. 5.5. And now I say 10.5. Then like that. Let's value. Then find a bit to what? To join them. Okay? Sorry. Find a bit to what? To join them. But you must what? You must leave this space. I see this space. You must leave that space. But if you start from 0, you start from here. Okay. So next week I will show us more questions on Instagram, particularly wire questions, so that you see how this to set it. So I will leave you with a little assignment to go and practice. Are you hearing me? Give you assignment to practice. Give you assignment to practice. So you are going to practice these 2 assignment questions. This number 1, look at it very well. It's quite that the value did not start from 0, like our example 1. Are you getting it? So you have to leave a space of 1 centimeter. The bars, when you draw the bars, leave a space of what? 1 cm. You must leave this space of 1 cm here. Leave the space before you start drawing the bars. Don't go and start from here, okay? You cannot start from 0. So you can do that. You can draw the table and the rest. Now to do the class boundary table. Then number 2, you are given group data, and they have already helped you to bring out the class interval. So they demand you to use this class interval to construct the table. They say you should start from 45 to 49. The values between 45 to 49, you know how to draw the table. You just draw the table, you call here your class interval, here your frequency. You go and count them. How many people fall between 45 to 49? Numbers from 45 to 49. You count them. If you are counting, you have to be very careful because you might make mistake. Maybe if 45 to 49, there are 7 people. You write 7. For instance, so then you now have 50 to 54. How many are they? You write it, you count them. Then you continue till you get to the highest number because here they did not finish it. They stopped here. So after 59, what should come to your mind? You now from 60 to 64, then from 65 to like that, you continue until you capture the highest number. What's the highest number here? Find the number. The highest number will be, let's say, 80. Until you get to 80, you now stop. Follow what? Follow the range. Okay? So, draw the histogram. Hope to see you next week, Monday, for the continuation of this topic. So, good day, class.